Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review about this bag right here. This is the YSL Lulu bag in the medium size. So if you would like to hear my thoughts on this bag, then please keep watching. Okay, so first I wrote down some notes on my phone, so if I'm looking down, please bear with me. But so this right here, the official name is the Lulu Medium in the Matelasse Y leather. So the reasoning for that is because the bag on the back kind of goes into a Y shape, and even you can notice it if the bag is open. You can notice it how it goes into that Y shape. And the dimensions on this bag is 12.5 by 8.6 and then 4.7 on the side. I added it to my collection. I just recently bought this back in January. So let me tell you more about the purse. So you get these two straps that can be worn like this. Hold on, let me stand up a little bit to show you how it can be worn. You can double strap it like this, or you can do a single strap to make it a longer shoulder bag. And also if you're a little bit shorter, you probably could do a crossbody. I'm 5'4" and it kind of hits a little weird on me as a crossbody, so I don't really wear it like that. But the straps are a nice like metal. This is like black hardware, and on these straps you get the two little things that rest on your shoulders, and they both say, let me see what they say Saint Laurent Paris on them, if you can see that. And then the front just has the YSL in the black hardware. Very pretty. I don't have any shipping on this, but this is a new bag. This little closure, and then you have, let me get around here, then you have this little snap button closure, and this says Saint Laurent Paris. Then on the inside of the bag it also says Saint Laurent. Right, you get two big compartments. The first one is the biggest, and then there is a, oops, let me tuck that back in, then there's a smaller compartment. Then you get this zip compartment in the middle, and then you get one more zipper pocket in the back, which is pretty big. I don't know, it might be hard to see inside there because this is a black bag. But yeah, so you do get a lot of space, but let me first start with the pros of this bag. And if you would like to see more about what fits in this bag, I just did a what's in my bag, so I will link it up above so you can check it out. So the first pro is that this bag is pretty. I love this bag. I think it is so cute. And also I really liked that it is a shoulder bag. Over the years I've kind of been a little bit anti hand carried bags. I had a lot of hand carried bags at one time, and it's just now I like to be hands free. So this goes on your shoulder and you can pick up whatever, you can completely move around, so you're not like holding something or, you know, restricted because you're holding something. It's very comfortable. So this leather does not dig into your shoulders. It's very comfortable to wear for a long period of time. So that is a definite pro if you're worried about digging into your shoulders. And then the last pro is that this is just specific to this bag. They do come in black, silver, and gold hardware for the chains of the strap and also the logo. But the last pro on this bag is that it is the black on black. So if I want to wear it with silver jewelry or silver accessories, and then if I want to switch to gold, I don't have to give up this bag. I can just wear it, and yeah, it'll go with all of my outfits. And now for the cons of this bag. There are quite a few cons about this bag, which makes me sad because it's so beautiful, but I have to keep it real and let you know the tea. So the first con is that it is hard to open. Like, it's like kind of a fight to get this bag open, and that's very annoying when you're trying to pay at a store or if you just need to get something out. And the second con is that it is hard to close. So I brought out two items that are everyday items for me. So this is the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 19, and this is my zippy wallet in the monogram. So these are two items that I carry every single day. They need to fit in every single purse of mine because these are everyday pieces for me. So if they fit in a purse, I know it's a good purse. But let me show you some examples of the cons with these pieces. So like I was saying with the closing, making it hard. So I usually carry let me see if I can hold this up. So in the first pocket, since it's bigger, I usually put my my toiletry 19 in here. Since let's just for the purpose of this video, just put the zippy wallet in there as well. So now let me put it on like I would. So say you're trying to close it. It like just does not catch. It is like a fight to close it. It just does not catch. It has like a magnetic, but it does not, it's hard to catch it when you're trying to close your bag. And that is just as annoying as trying to get it open. And also it is hard to retrieve items. So if you put something in here, so say let's switch out the zippy and put it in the back pocket. Actually, this is a 2-in-1 con in this next one. So there's really no need for this pocket. This should have been all one big open space. In my opinion, I don't think you need this pocket because now it's so hard to get anything. If there's anything in this front compartment, it's so hard to get anything from back here. So now you're digging in like this and it's just stretching out the bag, and I just don't think that's good for the long run of this bag. That also annoys me in my opinion, because I just like to be able to dig my hand in, grab what I need and go. But with this bag, it's like such a fight to get in there, and it's just so like inconvenient. Ugh. It's very inconvenient with this bag. So in conclusion with this bag, I'm not sure if this is a forever piece for me. The more I think about it, I really want a Chanel jumbo flap, or I want to go big and do the maxi with the caviar leather and the silver hardware. That is goals. That is a dream bag for me. So I don't know, this might not stay in my collection very long. But yeah, so those are my opinions. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.